This is the fourth part of working with layers. Another way of grouping layers is, let's say we want to group the blue layer with the red layer. I'm going to select those two. I was holding down the control key when I did that, which allowed me to select two together. I'm going to right click, and this brings up this menu where I've got an option to link layers. I'm going to select link layers. And you notice this little padlock chain type thing, it's actually a chain link rather than a padlock, has appeared on the blue and the red, but not on the green. And this means that the blue and the red are now linked, and look, they're moving together as a single unit, but the green isn't. So they're linked. If I want to also add the green to that, I can right click there and link layers, and they're all linked now, and look, they're all moving together. If I want to uncouple the red from this group, I can right click over that, and it will give me an option to unlink the layers. There's the unlink layers. I've actually unlinked all of them because they're all highlighted, but you can see how it works. If we just want to have the green and the blue together, we've got the green there and the blue there. I was holding down the control key while we got those two together. I right click, I link the layers, the blue and the green, but not the red, are linked. And this again is very useful when it comes to larger groups of plants, because you can link lots and lots of things together as a single event. Also, if we select the linked layers, it means that we can adjust what's linked together as a single entity. And we can always unlink them by right-clicking and unlinking the layers.